Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Man, this gap down it's just pissing me off so bad. I stopped out on my airline shorts yesterday, AAL, UAL, and SAVE, and today gapping down. And all the oil-related names like NBR was super excited about, gapping down like 17%. It's super annoying. Now we have to wait for secondary setups like a break-even open or gap up would have been much better, but it is what it is. NKLA is gapping up though. I sold my last shares at the close yesterday, so I would be able to focus on the short today. It could be very choppy. It can very easily go to 120 today, so I have to be careful. It doesn't have to go down. So I have 30,000 shares located. But unless, I'm gonna be careful. I'll try not to be super aggressive. Ideal scenario if it goes to like 120 tomorrow, today, and then we get the big trade tomorrow. But I'm definitely gonna be there today if it just starts showing some weakness. What do I think, Ella? I don't know. I have no idea. If I knew that, I wouldn't have a stream. I would have a private island, and I would be enjoying life. If I knew stuff like that, I have no idea what they will do today. No idea. My guess is as good as yours. What I think, I mean, they can go up, and they can go down. That's what I think. Ideal scenario, they bounce back, test red to green, and then maybe I'll be start stocking for a setup. But right out of the gate, that's why it's so tough when you have these short setups that gap down, because they can go straight up or they can go straight down. So opening range lows, I am gonna short some of these Boeing, Norwegian cruise lines. Maybe some others too. I don't know. I'm looking at all of them pretty much. CCL, AAL, SAVE, UAL. Like opening range lows, I'm gonna do some. Because most of these, all of these stocks, they have 20. They go down 20%, even from where they are pre-market, to get to the rising 20-day moving averages. Which I think rising 10-day moving averages, sorry, which I think will be the first support for them. Again, they don't have to go down. They could very easily bounce the rest of the day. That would be the ideal scenario. If they just go straight up out of the gate, just don't even get us an entry on the short side, no opening range lows, they just go straight up and test the red to green. That would be the best scenario. Let's look at my current positions. Car, I'm still in 33,000 shares from yesterday. I did cover some. I covered about 7,000 shares so far, and like 1,000 shares pre-market. So this was a really good one from yesterday. DFS, I added some yesterday, as you know, to my Friday ads. But I covered pretty much all of my ads from yesterday. They're covered up, so I still have the core from Friday. Again, first support is this rising 10-day, which is it's gonna be like $55 or so today. ACB, what's this one doing? Gapping down a little bit together with the market, but it's holding up really, really well so far. Beyond Meat also gapping down a little bit, but this is I think this is gonna go to at least high hundreds, and ACB I really think it should go to at least 17. We'll see. The key is to see a relative strength in these plays. D-Dog also gapping down a tiny bit. I think 85.90 is coming. mRNA is just inside of a range. Yeah, just trailing my stop. I've lowered my stop in the past few sessions a couple of times. And if it breaks below this 56, 70 area, I'm gonna add more to my short. PDD, small gap down, acting really well. Melee acting well. Fastly acting well. Tesla acting well. Tiny gap down with the markets, but just acting really well. FMCI, what's also gapping down a little bit. Wait, this thing printed 1550 in after hours? Wow. SC acting well, ZS acting well. Most of my... I bought back some Livongo yesterday, 10,000 shares. And through yesterday's highs, I'm gonna add another 10, 15,000 shares. Shopify is actually gapping higher. What? I did cover up a little bit yesterday before the close because it's not really breaking down. And now it's actually showing relative strength. So I'm gonna set a stop for it for half what I have left. I don't like to be short stocks that show relative strength. That's a big no-no. Big no-no. No, if I buy a private island, I'm not gonna stream, guys. I'm sorry. I won't stream. I am not gonna stream. No internet, exactly. No, guys, if I get rich enough to buy a private island, I will cut all communications with losers. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna cut all communication with losers. That's how it is. Exactly, I must create that video. All right, let's see here. Yeah, I'm mostly annoyed, not by the short setups being ruined, but like getting stopped out of these airlines yesterday. Like AAL, I had 110,000 shares short, now it's gapping down. Save, I had 50,000 short for a swing, gapping down. But like yesterday, late day when it started breaking out, I covered it when it took out the like opening range highs late day. But this thing like looked like it was gonna go to 28 today. But now obviously they're all gapping down. No, NCLH short? I haven't even been short NCLH. Where do you get that from? I was long NCLH for several weeks. Guys, where do you get these things from? I haven't been short NCLH. I have absolutely not shorted NCLH, but I am thinking about shorting it today, possibly. No, but there was no setup on it yesterday. I was stalking it. I was short CCL, but not NCLH, no. I was short CCL twice yesterday. 2 streams a day, no. I find doing 1 stream a day is painful. 2 streams, that's gonna kill me. Yeah, I think you are. I think you are thinking about CCL, Skip City. You're not targeting. Yes, I am. That's my main watch. NKLA is my main watch. But I really do want this thing to go to like 120 or so before I short it. All right, let's see. I hope not too many things trigger out of the gate. I want them all to like go straight up. All bets are in. Yeah. Right, market opens up in a minute. This Twilio looks really good for a on the long side. It looks like D-Dog and Beyond Meat, just a perfect high tide flag. All right, markets are open. Let's see. I would love for things to go straight up, but I don't think they are gonna go straight up. I shorted some NKLA here. I'm anticipating the opening range lows on the first 1 minute candle. Shorted 15,000 shares. Also shorted Boeing. And Norwegian, Boeing, and NKLA, I shorted all of them. Wait, is NKLA halted? No, don't be halted. That's too bad. I wanted to add more, but it looks like they halted it. Oh, Livongo is triggering. Wow. I may add if it takes out highs of the day later. Let's see. Peloton looks great. Billy. I hope they didn't take the NKLA down too much. Oh, god damn. All these short setups are so ruined. Now all of these things are bouncing. This is what I was afraid of. Oh shit, BA, I did a little bit too much size on it. At not a great price. Oh shit, I mistraded this BA. Did too much size on it. Okay. This is exactly what I was afraid of. They gave us a short setup, opening range lows, and then now they're bouncing and probably gonna stop us out. This is why I hate gap downs on these things. Yep, BA, I got stopped out of it. Took a nice fat loss on it. Nice fat loss. Man, these things are so annoying. If trading, man, this is the kind of stuff. This is the reason 99% of people don't make it in trading. It's the frustration. Making money is easy, but it's a frustration you get daily. This is the reason most people won't make it in trading. They just can't handle it. Oh, shit, man. This is super annoying. Took a fat loss. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna lose 100 grand just like that out of the gate. NCLH gonna... Yep, okay, boom. Just like that. I lost 100 grand on NCLH and PA. Boom. Trading is easy. And watch this Nikola go straight down and frustrate me even more. I only have half size on it. I was going to add more, but there were so many things going on. Labo is moving higher. Twilio is starting to Nvidia. Not yet. Twilio I'm thinking about maybe buying. Of course it's frustrating. What the fuck? You're surprised? Why are you surprised? What, when you're retired, not supposed to be frustrated? That's some that's a weird logic, man. I'm still as competitive. Don't you think because I'm technically retired, I'm not competitive? Oh man. Super frustrating. Okay. Nickel is not going straight down. Great. I should cover some nickel though. I just covered tiny. Maybe I should add more. No, I'm not gonna add randomly. I need to some... Okay, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. But as a trader who depends on income, you're more scared. I need to cover some more Nikola here and half. Well, good news is Nikola, I'm up 250k on half size. Yay! So... Oh, AMD is starting to break out. Really? Really? Wow, I actually took AMD off my watch list today because I was like, nah, it's never gonna break out, but it is looking super tight. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer for this candle to form, but it looks super tight. This is the kind of stocking a risk 50 cents, 70 cents to make 10 bucks. Or this is the kind of setup that is. Beyond BA, DFS. Oh, now Nicole is going straight down. God damn it. Oh, it's halted again. I really want one more VWAP bounce on that Nikola. I don't think we're gonna get it. Oh, Shopify. Apparently I got stopped out. I took a tiny profit on it overall. Okay, good. I don't have to watch that one anymore. FMCI. I think my first target on FMCI is still like 20 bucks. But I'm selling tiny pieces into strength. Say AL doing AL, okay. VIR, I don't know. It's kind of a sloppy setup. I see what you see, you know, lower highs, big base break, but unless it gets more volume or, I don't know. It's just not that great of a setup right now. I don't think so. Looks like Hertz is going straight down. That setup is ruined too. Wow. What if you would have gotten a gap up on Hertz? That would have been like a 5-star setup. Okay, AMD is now triggering. I probably need to buy some AMD here. So I just bought 25,000 shares of AMD. It's a little bit of a slower name. It's not a super fast moving stock, but I'm buying some here. Fuck it. You know what? I bought 30,000 shares. Why not? I just freed up some buying power with when I covered up Shopify, so this is nice. NKLA is still halted. Yep. Thanks for the AMD heads up. I did have alerts on it, but I actually saw it before my alerts. Thanks to your heads up. That's a very good setup on AMD, or not a very good, but it's like a 3.5, 4-star setup. It's a pretty decent setup. So that's a good eye. Oh wow, Koopa is going straight up. Very good eye on that one. D-Dog, what's D-Dog? Oh, it's taking out highs, yeah. Nvidia is kinda triggering. I mean, kinda. Looks like it's a semiconductor kind of a day, semi-day. I'm gonna be ready to cover some more nickel. Oh wow, Livongo is trying to trigger here too. I'm gonna add another bunch of shares if it takes out yesterday's highs. Beyond Meat is weak though, that sucks. Okay, NKLA I covered. I've covered about a third so far on NKLA. I mean, this thing is already down like 30% from its highs. Okay, I need to cover more. I covered a little bit more here. Up almost 300k on it on half size. God damn it. I never get full size on these things. They're so fast and I'm so slow. I'm gonna keep 60% of my shares in case it wants to go to like 55, 50 tomorrow. It may not want to, but we'll see. ACB recovering. Yep. Trying to take out yesterday's highs. That's very good. Okay, let's see here. Some setups. Hertz. AMD straight up so far. NBR is bouncing. UAL, OIM, just say. I'm thinking about reshorting some BA. Oh shit. Holy shit, I had like the luckiest fat finger on NKLA ever. Oh my god. I wanted to cover like another 1,000 shares. Instead, I accidentally covered everything. I double clicked and I went long the same amount of shares I was short. And then the stock went up like $1. So I reshorted like $1 higher. Oh my fucking god. Are you kidding me? I almost never make money on fat fingers. I rarely make money, but this is one of those. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh man. SC short? I hope not, because I'm long this thing. Nah, I don't know. No. I don't think there's a good short setup there. And I'm not saying that just because I'm long. I just don't think there's a good short setup. There are better ones. I think there are better ones. I really do think there are better ones out there. No, not this one. Okay, hopefully we get a VWAP push. So where is VO? Okay, depending on what time frame you look at, if you include pre-market data or not, but like 80 push would be nice. Push to... Ah, my cat is so fat. He's sitting on my mouse. Go away. Or maybe 75? No, an 80 push would be ideal. Okay, BA, I reshorted another... like in my initial short, I had 8,000 shares. Now I have 6,000. Let's see here. I'm using highs for the day as my stop, obviously. My cat is so aggressive right now. He's attacking my hand when I'm trying to put in an order. No, go away, go away, go away. Ah! He actually shut down one of my monitors right now. What the fuck? Fucking cat. Oh. Go away. Jesus Christ. I'm getting sabotaged by my cat right now. He's attacking my hand when I'm trying to put in an order. He accidentally shut down one of my monitors. What the fuck? Netflix breaking out, yeah, these mega cap stocks are just incredible. I tweeted about them yesterday, like Netflix, Facebook. I didn't tweet about Facebook too. Like, I don't think we're gonna get a major pullback in indices like Amazon, Google. These mega caps are breaking out from bull flags. There's not gonna be a... We're not gonna get a major pullback until those things are... Okay, I'm reshorting Norwegian cruise lines also. Probably did too much size, but what the fuck. Nah, my cat is not hungry. He's just lying here and being lazy. He thinks I'm in the way. Typical cat logic. Like, I'm sitting here and working. He comes here, he's laying on my keyboard. I try to move him. He attacks my hand because he thinks I'm sabotaging his rest. Like, fuck you, cat. Cat logic, what can I say? Oh, Dexcom. Oh, wow, this one looks good, man. As long as you see setups like these, it's very hard to, you know, believe in a pullback in the markets. Because we're getting this constant rotation. These overextended cyclicals are pulling back, and now these growth names are starting to break out again. Like this Dexcom, man, this thing looks good. Should I buy it though? That's the question. Peloton looks great too. Maybe I should. Which one looks better, Dexcom or Peloton? Fuck, I don't know. Yeah, AMD is a beast. Wow, already up $1 on it? Really? That was fast. Livongo I haven't added yet. I don't see much volume on it. Oh, NKLA, it gave us another short opportunity. I missed it. That 70 break on the downside, it was too quick. I didn't get it. It was just so fast. Man. Beyond Meat doesn't look good though. Dexcom or Peloton? Let's see here. VIX. I don't think there's anything there in VIX. Maybe Twilio. Twilio is kind of slow. It's not as violent as like Dexcom or Peloton. Like Peloton bounced off the rising 50. No, sorry, Dexcom. Peloton bounced off the rising 20. Okay, I bought 25,000 shares of Peloton. Let's see what we can do here with it. Maybe I'll buy some Dexcom too. Nah, it's fine. Yeah, Nvidia. It's a slower name, but the exact, yeah, absolutely, it looks good. Oh man, it looks really good. Maybe I should buy some on this thing because it does look good. It does look super, super good, man. It does. It really does. I did some good exposure here so far today. You know what? I'm gonna buy more of this Livongo because now I can raise my stop. You see this on the 60-minute chart? I used the lows of this candle as my stop. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my overall stop higher now, and I'm gonna buy more shares. Nothing crazy, just 5,000 shares, adding to my existing 10,000 from yesterday. It's not really super liquid. All right. All right. All right. Yes, I am still in mRNA short. It's going sideways. It could be a long setup in the next few days, actually. It's really tight. If it starts breaking above this 59, high 59s, could be a long setup. It breaks below this 57, high 56s. That's a short setup. INO. Yeah, it bounced off the rising 50-day. Yeah, definitely. That's a good setup, actually. It's a pretty decent setup. Oh my god, time to start selling some AMD. Tiny AMD. I'm gonna sell like 1,000 shares out of 30,000. Just because it's straight up. Need to lock in some strength. Peloton. Yeah. Again, I bought 25,000 shares of Peloton. I think it looks good. There's so many good looking setups. There really are. Nvidia. Fuck. It's just a slow name. Facebook looks great. I mean, looks like these airlines are starting to break down. Save looks really weak. I'm not gonna add more. I have enough size on NCLH and BA. Oh, fuck, Nicola, I missed 2 ads on it. This is not good. This is not good. 2 ads. Save is the weakest out of the airlines. This is actually taking out the opening range lows. The other ones are still above opening range lows. Oh, CTX is gone. NIO looks very strong too. Building higher lows the past few days. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing goes to 10. But I would like it to go sideways for a few more days. It would be better if it goes sideways and maybe tries to break out on Friday or something like that. Twix does look strong because the markets are pulling back a little bit. But I still, again, you know, unless those breakouts in the mega cap names fail, I don't think there is a lot of downside in the major indices. That's a big if, obviously. Biotech sector overall is flagging. XBI, IBB, big flags. I don't know. I'm not like, yeah, indices are pulling back, but I think we're gonna find support on the rising 10-day. And QQQs, they're actually almost green. Yeah, SPYs are down because all these airlines and the cruise lines, etc., are pulling back. Wow, now they're really pulling back. But the Nasdaq stocks are strong. So we're just getting some classic rotation. I'm a little bit frustrated by the airline names and this gap down. I really am. I was so excited yesterday and then just... Can't get what you want all the time. AMD, I think AMD is a multi-week, maybe even a multi-month hold. I think it could go to 60, 65, 70. Why not? Looks great on the weekly and the daily charts. Wait, is CHK halted? Really? Wow. There you go. Let's see, NBR. I guess I missed my setup. This is super thin though. DGLY, if it will take off, who knows? I'm watching it for a short. I don't think we get it today. Ideally, it goes like 7, 8 tomorrow, today, and then we get a setup tomorrow. But if I think DGLI will take off, well, it already took off. The entry was here, like around $2. I was stalking it there, but I just didn't buy it. It was too thin for me. Yeah, now they're all fading. They're all fading now. Okay, NCLH looks like I am green on it now. Deep green on it. BA I'm not really green on it yet, but probably need to cover up some on NCLH. So. NCLH, yeah, it's still hot. It is still hot. Highs of day stop. Unless you're day trading it. If you're day trading it, you probably should be moving your stop pretty aggressively. I'm in it for a multi-day, multi-week hold. I don't like the some of the breakout action so far. Looks like some of these names are starting to fade a little bit. Covering some more Nikola. Almost 350k on half. Yeah, 350k on half size now. If I had gotten full size on it, man. Why can I never get full size on these parabolic shorts? Oh, Digital Ally going higher. That's great. I only have a third of Nikola left here. I have to say fuck it. When? When do I have to say fuck it? To get more shares. Oh yeah. I'm hoping for a big bounce in it. Probably not gonna get it, but car looks like it wants to go to straight to 27 now. I'll lower my stop a little bit too. Hopefully these airlines and cruise lines go sideways now, bounce and go sideways for a few hours, and maybe we get a setup later in the day, mid or late day, like a tight setup. I'm willing to add to those, but need a good setup. Right now they could do anything. Oh, maybe I should check Twitter. I haven't. Oh, I forgot to tweet the link. Oh man. I wrote a tweet an hour ago that I haven't sent yet. Nah, wait for these things. Just chill, you know. I mean, look, if you're doing it for a swing, opening range lows could be an entry. I guess. Absolutely. Oh man, all these oil names are having big down days. Hi there. If I have a max percent stop, no. Oh, CHK about to get unhalted, alright. NKLA in what, long or short? I have no idea what you're talking about. When you get back into, I have no idea what you're talking about. Long or short? Long, I mean for tactical intraday trades, yeah, but I think this is beginning of the end for it. I don't, you know, I don't think it's gonna go much higher than today's highs. If you want to go swing it, I think shorting is better, but day trading, yeah, you could work out either way. I'm hoping for a push back to like 75 area or something. Any news on shock? No, I haven't I haven't done anything with that yet. It was just a nice idea. We'll see what I do with it. Nvidia is strong. I am very tempted buying Nvidia. I am. I really am. Okay, OIH is now bouncing a bit. JNOG. Short? Wait for a bounce. Preferably do VWAP. Ideally we get a bounce to VWAP on NKLA. And that's that. Well, it depends on if you include the pre-market data or not. But if you don't include the pre-market data, it's gonna be 70 bucks. If you include the pre-market data, it's like 73 bucks. So yeah, I'm thinking mid-high 70s would be a nice bounce area. Ideally it gets there. Not sure if it will though, but oh, BA is now bouncing too. Again, we'll see how these things bounce, and then I think in 2-3 hours there may be a nice short setup on many of these names. Oh, Yeah, I mean that's great about these high range, high liquidity stocks. You get so many, if you're a day trader, you get so many opportunities long short. So many opportunities. It's just incredible. Like, you know, if you're a day trader, there's no reason to trade anything other than stocks like these. When you get them, you know, there's no. So what I'm looking for now is like the first red 5-minute candle on this bounce. That could be a potential ad spot for a short, or for yeah, for a short. Hopefully it bounces a little bit more. I'm gonna be ready with another 10,000. I'm gonna re-short 10,000 shares if we get it set up. I'm starting to stalk this thing closely now. It's workhorse. They're trying to pump this thing. Patiently waiting for the first red 5-minute candle here. Ideally can bounce back to mid-high 70s. Ideally. Ah, Livongo. Not looking that great now. Looks like this BA is gonna fuck me over again. Oh man, these things are so frustrating. Oh. I covered some more of car and DFS. Car, I've covered a quarter so far. And CLH is bouncing, probably gonna stop me out too. Oh shit, the solo, I totally missed this one. Damn it. Not getting that first red 5-minute candle break yet on NKLA. Guys, you should know this by now. The low of the breakout high. Sorry, the low of the breakout day, I mean, not the low of the breakout high. NKLA, I've been long for many weeks. My initial entry was several months ago. ACB, very simple. Lows of the breakout day. So the lows of yesterday. That's where my stop is. Unless it starts moving higher like a lot. Then I'm slowly gonna start moving my stop higher, but it hasn't really gone yet, so. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay. Oh man, please go back to like 80 or something. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Pretty please. Pretty. Let's do another scan. What's Shopify do? Ah, now Shopify is starting to fade back. Okay. Super annoying that it gapped up, showed relative strength, and now it's fading. I hate when that happens. If nickel goes back to 80, what is criteria for entry? I'm gonna wait for the first red 5-minute candle and the break of that candle. Or like the first break of the previous 5-minute candle, no matter what, if it's green or red candle. Yeah, Peloton is now shaping up a little bit. Nah, there's no point in putting stop at high of day. It's gonna be too loose. The highs of day is like 20% higher. You're ruining your risk reward. Twice a day is almost 30% higher. That's just not a good idea. What I think about AMD, dude. I bought it with both hands at the open. That's what I think about AMD for a long. I bought 30,000 shares at 53.87, and so far I sold 1,000 shares into strength. That's what I think about the AMD long. You should have been a bit quicker. The ideal entry was like around 54. Now it's a little bit too high maybe. Funny thing is, I was thinking about, I saw someone mention this solo, and I was thinking about buying it opening range highs today, but for some reason it didn't. It fell off the radar. Fell off my radar. But I'm thinking, workhorse. I don't know. So many things moving. Yeah, I added to Livongo too. Like I bought 10,000 shares yesterday and I added another 5,000 shares today, but now right now it's pulling back. But the 60-minute chart and daily charts are intact. I think it's just a matter of time. It just needs to build a little bit here in this area. But I think in the next couple of days there's a good like it's a very good risk reward. I think this thing goes to 70, 80, 90. No. Oh, fuck, I hate this. Destroy 62. That's a that's a good way of putting it. They need to destroy 62. Yeah, they do. They do need to destroy 62. The pump is on these electric vehicle stocks. I just bought 40,000 shares of a Workhorse. Tiny position. I bought it in my smallest account. Tiny position. FMCI, absolutely not. No, 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 no. This is not even extended yet. This thing is up 20% in 2 days. No, 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 no. I'm long this thing. I'm long this thing like 2 weeks back. 3 weeks ago. This is my first target is 20. Absolutely not. It's not even extended yet. It's only up 20% in 2 days. Guys, focus on stocks that are extended. Otherwise, you're just gonna have a hard time. Focus on stocks that are extended. If you're gonna trade parabolic shorts, focus on stocks that are actually parabolic. FMCI is just it's just not very extended. Now these things are probably gonna stop me out again. Gonna take another 100k loss on these. BA and NCLH probably. Feels like that. I have a feeling. Uh, 68, 40. Okay, I'm in 50,000 shares of Workhorse now. This is all I'm gonna have. I'm anticipating the volume's gonna come in. I think it's gonna be the highest volume day in a while. Like, if they can take this piece of shit solo, if they can double this thing in 2 days, why can't this Workhorse go to $5-6? This is actually a legitimate company, I think. I'm not sure. Maybe it's not. No, it is. It is. I think even Trump tweeted about this thing, not the stock, but the company. Workhorse. Hopefully it tweets again. Just patience on this NKLA reshort. Let it do what it has to do. I'm just waiting for I hope this thing extends to like $80. That would be great. Yeah, Dante is on all of these. Yep. He's pushing them hard. That's why I follow him. He's very early on a lot of these names. He's a great follower. He's not one of these that starts, tweeting about them after they gone up. Like on many of these, he's super early. Like before they even start getting any volume. Oh, NCLH and BA. Fuck. So this is why I hate. Oh man, I just max frustration on these right now. This is why I hate gap downs on the extended stocks, because they're just gonna Find ways to fuck you. Oh. US Dante. We don't talk about the UK Dante. UK Dante has no relevance for this stream. He's trading, I think he's trading 4x. Yeah, no, US Dante. Assume every time I talk about Dante, it's US Dante. Because I really don't have any reason to talk about the UK Dante. If I talk about UK Dante, I'm gonna say UK Dante. Dante just, if I say just Dante, it's the US Dante. Okay, oh yeah, this is great. Nicola. Go Nicola. I'm still short 5,000 shares, third of my position. Third of my half position from... I don't even know what my average is. I replaced that because I had a fat finger earlier, but I think it was like 80s, high 80s or maybe low 90s. I don't remember exactly. But now I think maybe below the 6850 area could be a hot spot later. Ideally it keeps going higher, but it is stalling now. We'll have to see. What's XLE doing? XLE, XOP, what's this one doing? Okay. OIH, what's this one doing? Okay. Oh, BA. I hate this stock. I hate this stock. NCLH bounced perfectly off the rising 20 EMA on the 60-minute chart. Okay, Nicola, perfect action here. I'm not, damn it, I'm not up 350k on it anymore though. Maybe I should have covered all of it, I guess. Whatever. Wow, Hertz? About to go green? Oh, what? Has CHK unhalted yet? Let's see, workhorse. It hasn't. Okay. NVAX, yeah. Wow, yeah, NVAX actually reclaiming the rising 20-day. Interesting. It held. I was looking for it to short it potentially today below this 43.70 area. I was short it yesterday for a while. Looks pretty decent. Together with INO bounce. Yeah, nickel is green. Yeah, this is great. I'm gonna re-short 50. You know what? I'm gonna re-short just because this bounce is this big. I'm gonna re-short a bunch of shares. I'm gonna go more than I had previously. 74.27. Okay, Peloton back at its highs. This is, oh yeah, this is good. NKLA is gonna give us another opportunity. I love it. This market is just never-ending opportunities. I can't believe this market. There has been some frustration. UAL, yeah, they all are. They're all bouncing now. I'm gonna take another nice loss on NCLH and BA. Oh man, I'm gonna lose almost 100k on BA total. Super annoying. Super annoying. And NKLA, let's see here. And so Nasdaq just keeps going higher. Incredible market. I don't think I've ever seen this strong of a market ever in my life. Nope, I haven't. This is official the strongest market I've ever seen. Oh my god, BA, I'm pennies away from getting stopped out. $50,000. It's a very liquid stock, so it's hard to buy size on this thing. If it was more liquid, I would have bought several 100,000, but it's not. So I probably bought too many shares because it feels like it's not gonna go, but I don't know. I wish I had a better average too. But you know, there's just endless speculation money. Like once they stop pushing one sector, they go on to the another sector. It really is amazing. Like the best thing ever. Hertz, super strong. What if they take Hertz to $8? That would be great. That would be really great. Wow, NKLA. Nicola. I'm just still waiting for that break of a previous 5-minute candle on Nicola. This is why you wait for technical setups and not short randomly. Because you feel it has bounced too much. This is why technical setups are so important. I may actually use the first 1-minute candle as a starter. I took a starter on Nicola. 5,000 shares. I'm gonna add another 10,000 on the break of this 5-minute candle. I have to wait another 4 minutes for this. Dun 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 dun. Okay, bathroom break. Okay, I am back. Let's see here. I have added back about 6,000 shares of nickel. I'm waiting for the break of this current candle to add more. Or this current 5-minute candle. The bounce so far was pretty big. Look at this, almost 46% bounce. That's a big bounce. Pretty nice. PLM. Wow. Yeah, I don't know why this thing is up. Do you know why this thing is up? Wow, NBR taking out highs of the day. Nice, nice, nice. Maybe we get some better setups for tomorrow if these things keep bouncing. So far, I think I got stopped. Yeah, BA, I took an $87,000 loss on it total. Piece of shit stock. Oh, why did all of these things have to gap down? Why? Like, why? Totally unnecessary. Like, if they had gapped up instead and then had like NCLH, if it had gapped up and then pulled back to this rising 20-day, 20 EMA on the 60-minute chart, I would have made like a couple of 100K on it, or 100K at least. BA2, if it had gapped up and then faded and pulled back to the rising 20 EMA. Nope, instead they had to gap down. I'm just super annoyed by it. Super, super annoyed. You're adding car. Okay. I don't see your setup here, but... Oh, okay. Okay, I guess. Okay. Like the first red 5-minute candle? On this push into resistance, maybe? Yeah. Yeah, I see. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I see what you see. I hope I don't get stopped out of NCLH, because I'm gonna take a fat loss on that one too. Wow, Nikola is starting to come back a little bit. Maybe I shouldn't have anticipated DraftKings long. Maybe in a few days. Maybe in a few days. It needs to set up a little bit better. Oh, come on. I'm gonna get stopped out of my my ads. I added 8,000 shares. I anticipated the first red 5-minute candle, but looks like it's bouncing so far. Probably gonna get stopped out any second now. Okay, Peloton taking out highs of the day. Great. What's Dexcom doing? Oh, Dexcom is still weak. Okay, so far Nikola couldn't take out those highs. It slammed back. But maybe it will come back with even more strength. Yeah, it is. It's like never-ending opportunity. I'm every day I'm thinking, when is the craziness gonna end? And every day, every day it gets even more crazy. It's just, it is what it is. And this can go on for a long time. Like the the internet bubble, late 90s, that went on for like 18 months before it finally, I'm not saying this is gonna be anything like it, but so far it's only been crazy for 2 months. Like this could easily go on for another 2 months. That's what I'm trying to say. So there's no point in anticipating when it's all gonna end, but obviously it's kind of scary. When you haven't seen something like this before, you always think, okay, when it's gonna end. But you still see like Amazon just breaking out, Google just breaking out, Facebook just breaking out, Netflix just breaking out, biotechs bull flagging. Like there's really no reason for the market to go down yet. I just don't see a reason for the market to go down. I just don't see it. Okay, NKLA, I'm looking to add more to this thing. Not sure when yet. I mean, I guess I have to wait for a little bit more of a range. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back to like 65 bucks today. That's what I'm betting on, obviously. Yes, I am long Tesla. Yeah. Yes, that is exactly correct. I am long Tesla. I've been long for 2 weeks now almost. Cancel your stop and just see what happens. As soon as I cancel my stop on NKLA, it's gonna go to 120 bucks. That's what's gonna happen. Yeah, gap down was a bear trap. Yep. I paid 22,000 to borrow 30,000 shares. I've never paid this much in locate fees before. That was a new all-time high for me. I paid 22,000. Oh wait, I have to do the math. I located 30,000 shares and they cost me, let's see here. They were pretty expensive. This is how much they cost me, 764 cents. Yeah, almost 23,000 bucks is what I paid for my locates. On NKLA. Yeah, exactly. 77 rounded up. Yes. You gotta pay to play. Sometimes you gotta pay to play. That's just what it is. What it is. It is what it is. When you see an opportunity this big, and look, I paid 23,000, okay? And at the lows, I was up 350,000 on the stock. Now suddenly that 23,000 isn't a big deal, right? Let's see here. Sometimes you just have to recognize opportunity, and you know, if you have to pay to trade it, you know, that's what you have to do. Of course, trading is all about conviction. That's true. Absolutely true. Let's see here on NKLA if it starts breaking below this 7830 area. I may add some if it starts breaking below that. Okay, let's do another scan here. AVLR. Snapchat just keeps grinding. I know several people have asked me about Snapchat the past week, but yeah, you know, the breakout level was here in the mid 18s, and if you didn't get it there, there's no point chasing. Just grinding higher. CI could be a short if it keeps going. Maybe tomorrow, if you can hit like go to 60 or so tomorrow, there could be a short trade there potentially. Man, all these sheepies that are up like 50% on the day. Or actually, wait, there weren't that many today, but that are up to 50, 100% the past few days. That's what I mean, I guess. Alright, NKLA is now building some lower highs on the 5-minute chart. I added some more to NKLA. I have so far added 13,000 shares to my NKLA short. Nikolai. It would have been much easier if his name was Nikolai. It's just so much easier to say than Nikola. It's like there's something missing there. Workhorse, yeah. I don't know what my average is on Workhorse. I bought it in another account. Please, NCLH, do not stop me out. Please. Please don't. Please be so kind. Nikola. Nikola Tesla. Have you heard of this guy, Nikola Tesla? He's apparently some famous guy from 50 years ago. He invented some shit. Yeah. He invented sound? Wow, really? So you mean they didn't have sound like several hundred years ago? Like when the dinosaurs roamed the Earth 6,000 years ago, they didn't have sound? Like it's not. Wow, I didn't know humans invented sound. That's pretty amazing. So dinosaurs just they just use their they use their only the smell and their sight. Wow. Who would have thought? Pretty amazing, really. Imagine not having being deaf. It's like being deaf. Amazing animals. I'm covering some Nikola here, obviously, on this flash. Flash. He invented electricity. But how did he get it to the sky? Like when you get thunderstorms, why did he have to put the electricity into the sky? I don't see the point. Yeah, I would say he's a genius. If you invent electricity and put it into sky, create thunderstorms, that's pretty amazing. I'm covering some more Nikola here. Nicola. Oh man, I can make now with this new size. I can make 500k on it if it goes down another 10 points. Let's go. Jack Brownian, dude. My chat is the best of the best. It's the brightest of the brightest. Exactly. We are all losers. It's not our job to do any critical thinking. That's what now I see. Hey Duraj, I saw your comment now. That's why they didn't hear the meteor coming. That's a pretty good one. And NIO, it is flagging. Like I said before, ideally it goes sideways another few days at least, but you know, it does have the look. In this market, you could very easily go to $8. But for my personal taste, it's a little bit extended. IMPX, is it going? Man, this thing is... like IMPX, one of these days you wake up, it's gonna be at $10. I just have that feeling, man. I have that feeling. It's just not going away. It's just not going away. It ain't going away. So far, I covered about a quarter of the ads on NKLA. I still hope this thing can go back to mid-low 60s, but it could also go higher. I don't know. CTX, yeah, I saw CTX. I don't know what this thing is all about. What's the? I know they put. Let's see. It's too late for me to buy it anyways. Let's see, what is this? Oh, they had an offering. Okay, at the market. Oh, okay, it's some kind of, okay, it's that theme. It's like the DGLY sympathy, I guess. It's the like police non-lethal weapons theme, I guess. As usual, lows of the day. Guys, if I'm short, 90% of the time my stop is gonna be highs of the day. If I'm long, 90% of the time my stop is gonna be lows of the day. Twilio looks really good for tomorrow. I don't think it's gonna break out today, but maybe it breaks out tomorrow. Dun, dun, dun. Generally not. It depends on the stock, obviously. Like something like NKLA, which is an ultra big range. Like first it went down 40% and then it bounced 50% or 45%. You know, those are a bit different, but generally like normal stocks, I usually don't move my stop the first day. Sometimes I don't move the stop for several weeks. Or, you know, a lot of times, actually. ABC, why are you trading ABC? This thing has no range. You shouldn't be trading ABC. This stock has no range. Stick to stocks that have range. That's the best advice I can give anyone. Stop trading these stocks that don't have any range. Oh, ACB. Oh, okay, well that's another thing. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Well, that's a good one. Yeah. ECB may need a few more days. The 20-day moving average may need to catch up. Maybe, and then I think it's gonna go. As long as the speculation money keeps coming, it's a very good looking setup. Nikola Tesla, Nikola Tesla, Nikola Tesla. 82, 86. Okay. How many do I have? Okay, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. 82.86. All right. I am gonna go downstairs, get some food, but I will be back in 5-10 minutes. Carvana, short. Why would Carvana be a short? There is no setup here. Room IPO. DP. DP watching? What does DP watching mean? These two stocks, Etsy and W, that I've been short. Like Etsy was short like a month ago, and W I was also short like a month ago. They're potentially starting to set up. Oh, okay. Competitor of Carvana. But why would Carvana have to go down just because Room IPOs? Like this thing has been going up the past few weeks, and Room IPO has been known for months. Okay. NKLA is still trending higher. It held VWAP. It undercut it briefly. And yeah, we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna add more to it now. Maybe in an hour or two if it has a tight setup. But so far it's still... This 75 area could be an ad spot potentially, but not yet. Maybe a bit later. Oh, NKLA. Thank God it didn't stop me out. Hopefully it can start going lower now. David, how long have you been trading? I think I asked you once before. "33 years, wow. That's longer than I have lived. That's amazing. Yeah, I'm starting to see some weakness in emerging in some names. I'm gonna stock some stocks. It's too bad this NBR is so thin, man. Save AAL. CCL. BA. Oh, BA stopped me out and now it's going lower. Oh man, I hate that stock so much. I'm 32 MTX. Yeah, we're having some experienced people here. We are all learning from each other. David taught me to not be a pussy. Okay. Yeah, don't be a pussy. That's a great lesson. I'm not the boss, I'm just another loser, just like everyone else in here. Well, that's easy. That was year 5. Do you mean percentages? Percentages, I think 2013 was the biggest one. I made like 650% that year. It was pretty insane. Do you even withdraw? Only when I'm buying cars for 150k. That's the only time I withdraw money. Only when I need to. Maybe twice per year. 3 times maybe. Nowadays. You leave off my... No, I have been unemployed for 7 years. Yeah, exactly. Look, what can I say? I'm paper trading, and I've been saving up for this car for 7 years, or actually 9 years since I started trading. That's all the money I have. No, I withdraw money all the time in my early years. I had to. Because my account was very, very small, and I really had to make a profit every month. Otherwise, I would like, yeah, like richest security guard in the world. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna see. 2013, I made. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I made 352%. It was in 2014 I made 646%. I can show you guys. I have it in my. I can show you my trading journey. Like I started trading in 2011. Let's see. I have it in my Excel. So 2012 was a losing year, 2011 was a losing year. I blew up like 4 times those years. 2013 was my first winning year. Made 352%. And that was pretty much in the last 6 months. I was like break even the first 6 months of the year. Then I made 646% in 2014. I made 107% in 2015. I made 217% in 2016. I made 414% 2017, 89% 2018, and last year I made only 52%. I'm very unhappy about that. But this year I'm already up like 150% or even more. So, and it's not even halfway. So I think I'm gonna have a big percentage here this year too. I'm 32, Piotr. I'm 32. I should probably cover that in my next video, because people always ask me that. How old are you? I'm 32. I'm gonna actually put it down in my notes. Mention my age. I'm gonna do a video, so every time anyone asks me about anything, I'm just gonna refer to that video. It's gonna cover everything. I'm gonna be super lazy. What one thing? I don't think it was one thing. I think there were many things. I mastered a few setups that I knew that they worked, and then I just kept doing more of what worked and less of what didn't work. And after a while, you know, your money starts compounding, you know. Making 100% on 50K is not the same thing as making 100% on 5 million. Like now that my accounts are pretty damn big, like I can have like a 30% return and I'll make several million, you know. So it kind of gets easier after a while. Nope, I'm not in NIO. Oh fuck, it's breaking out. Piece of shit. Everything is breaking. But my workhorse is not going. Why is this one not going? Oh. This NKLA is getting tight. Little baby Jesus, yeah. Oh, yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I can actually do that. Yeah, it is a piece of shit. But David, the piece of shits are the ones that run the most. Remember Genius? This was a piece of shit. It is still a piece of shit. Yeah, they're all pieces of shit. In this market, the piece of shit stocks are the best ones. It's pretty funny. CHK, yeah, exactly, CHK. Like I locked in like a 75% profit on my last shares, and then next day was up another. Like next day, this thing was up 200%, and now it's halted. But yeah, hurts. I mean, this is amazing. Up 600% in a few days. It's just, you know, it's craziness going on right there. Okay, I'm gonna mute for a while. I need to eat some food, but I'll be All right. Let's go through the scans again, like I usually do every hour. I go through my scans. Damn, these natural gas stocks are going pretty big moves. Or not big moves yet, but they're just getting started. I didn't buy any of those. I even wrote a blog post about them like a month ago or 2 months ago. Oh well. I suck. What can I say? AMD hitting new highs. DraftKings, I may, if it closes like this, I'm probably gonna cover some of my shares. It looks more bullish than bearish. And now the 20 days catching up, and yeah, we'll see. Peloton is about to hit new highs on the day. FMCI, someone in chat said this thing could go to 100. Bring it. Bring it. This thing goes to 100. I actually may afford that private island we were talking about earlier today. Livongo setting up nicely for tomorrow or next few days. What can I say? You know, this market is like the most amazing market I've ever seen. The rotation is just relentless. Just as one overextended group starts pulling back, going sideways, there's another group taking the lead. Yeah, Workhorse, piece of shit stock. Yeah, all these SPACs have made big moves. This VTIQ, aka NKLA. I mean, this was actually a 10 bagger, almost. Yeah, Space wasn't a 10 bagger, but it was a big move too. Yeah, I mean, look, FMCI. Yeah, I think it could make a big move. Absolutely, absolutely, I do think so. This AAL is very weak compared to the other airlines. So these airlines, I'm watching them for reshorts. They're now building ranges intraday and they've been building lower highs. Oh, VRM is open now. Yeah, I'm a little bit skeptical of. Yeah, why wouldn't Impossible Foods just do an IPO? Like these SPAC mergers, they're just not for the best of the breed stocks. Let's just say that. I'm very skeptical of being Impossible Foods. They could very easily IPO on their own. There's no reason for them to do it with via an SPAC. Yeah, it would be huge. This is where the stock is. This is why I've been low. This is why I had 150,000 shares at 11 bucks on this day here. I also thought it would be huge. Now I obviously have much less shares because the stock is so thin. But yeah, we'll see. It may not be any of those. It could be just some third grade unknown name that no one ever heard about before. Right now it's just running on speculation, and that's fine. That's good. Apparently I shorted some UAL. It's trying to lose VWAP here. I shorted some UAL. Yeah. That's why this thing is running. The speculation is at all-time highs. But yeah, if it's one of those, it would be huge. I would actually. I think 100 target wouldn't be a crazy thing in that case. Shopify as a long, it is actually a pretty decent setup. It's kinda inside of its base right now. If you look at the 700 to 780 range, it's been in the past month or so. But it wouldn't be. Yeah, it could be a long, but I would use like a wide stop on it though. I think this thing goes to 1,000 this summer, unless the markets pull back a lot. Yeah, but there's a difference between Beyond Meat and Just. because Beyond Meat had scarcity value. Now we are, you know, now we will have 2 stocks, and it's not as sexy possibly anymore. You had the first fake meat stock, that was sexy. The second one may not be as sexy. Piotr, go to my Twitter, look at the pinned tweet, and watch that video. I talk a lot about VWAP. Yeah, we'll see. I'm just trailing my stop on this FMC. Peloton, I am long Peloton. I bought it opening range highs. Yeah, I bought it a little bit lower than this. I think it looks good. Not bad at all. Nikola. I may add more to Nikola too. It's building a range here. All right, I'm gonna cut the stream here. I have some things I need to do. So yeah. All right, thanks for joining the stream. I hope you had a great day. I hope you nailed Nikola. I hope you didn't get fucked over by Boeing, like I was twice. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.